Hey guys, Dave Greathouse, Josh Antone with the Greathouse team and RE/MAX Above and Beyond. And today we are coming at you live from the private balcony, the rooftop of our latest listing at 2077 East 4th Street in downtown Cleveland.
Dave, it's not often we get to showcase a view this spectacular in the heart of our beautiful city. But the better news, the condo inside is just as fantastic as this out here, and we're dying to show it to you.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah.